Let me show you how to use the gesture navigations on your Samsung S26 and also S26 Ultra. So first, to enable them, go to your settings, display settings, navigation bar, and switch it over here. And then to use them, it's very simple. So if you maybe have had an iPhone, it's identical process. So for example, if you swipe up from your around here, you can, for example, like open your apps. So the way you do it, again, from pretty much anywhere on the screen, you swipe up and hold a bit. So up and hold for maybe like half a second. So you see, no matter from where, you swipe up and hold to open all the background apps. If you want to go to the home, you want to quickly swipe up. So only swipe up quickly. So you see, it goes to the home screen. Okay. And if you want to go back in any menu, for example, let's enter the settings here. You simply swipe down, swipe from this corner here. So from the left side like this. So you see, this is a back navigation. For example, if you enter somewhere, again, simply swipe like this to go back. Okay, like